we are also excited to welcome Mount Mariano Ameta da Costa Alves, the owner of the Cafe Arsabe at Cristo Rey. I get the name from President Ramos Horta during the lecture in the President Palace last week. He will be sharing his inspiring story to encourage the youth of the nation to build their career as entrepreneurs. This perfectly captures the slogan of this week, Timor-Leste Tourism Investment Forum last week, time to action. The slogan is time to action. It's all for younger generation to act, to take their first step, no matter how small, and to make a positive impact to the society. Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, allow me also to speak bahasa to my Indonesian fellow. Bapak, Ibu, warga negara dan diaspora Indonesia yang saya cintai dan banggakan, terima kasih atas kehadiran Bapak Ibu dalam acara ini. Termasuk nanti saya dengar Ibu Krisdayanti juga akan hadir ini. Terlebih lagi terima kasih buat semua peran Bapak Ibu dalam memperkuat persahabatan Indonesia dan Timor Leste. Saya mendorong kiranya kita semua dapat menjadi duta persahabatan dengan Timor Leste dan terus berkontribusi untuk pengulatan kerjasama ekonomi Indonesia dan Timor Leste. Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, before I end my speech, allow me to say a few words in Telugu. I hope I will make it correctly. How novel hela ia Timor basic dengan hal. Ami sente diak los no hetan Benson Barat. Obrigado Barat, ba amizade Pamalia Hanesan. Ami hadopi Timor Leste. Obrigado Pak Timor Leste. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for your meaningful and encouraging remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now privileged to hear from our guest of honor. It is my profound pleasure to invite His Excellency Dr. Jose Ramos Horta, President of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, to deliver his remarks.
Please be seated. Thank you. Ambassador, maybe the sign from Indonesian event. To the justice or just people. It's always a great pleasure to join you, Ambassador, and the wife, your staff, in celebrating Indonesia Day, but also other events like a year or 2 years ago. From here, we went to the embassy in the evening to watch the great Indonesian soccer team playing against the Vietnam team. And in spite of our best wishes to the Indonesian team, the Vietnam team was stronger. And so any event, I've been to Jakarta several times already since I was the elected president. I've been to Georgia, to Jakarta more recently, and then Kupang, Labuan Bajo, Roti, Sumba. The only holidays I had since I took office, most of you don't believe. The ambassador of Indonesia and Malaysia, the two always have a holiday. I always see them whether in Atambua or Kupang. Maybe they will say, if you saw us there because you were there also. But in 3 years since I took office, I had only 4-day holiday. And of course, included weekend, I was 6 days in NTT. And so that's the only holiday I had in more than 3 years now as president. And since I took office, I have witnessed fast increasing partnership with Indonesia in trade, cultural exchanges, visits by many different personalities. I was very pleased that my inauguration, 2022, more than 100 people from Indonesia came, 60 weeks from NTT. And I haven't seen so many Indonesians visiting constantly. Next week, end of next week, a well-known Indonesian movie star, model, director, he will come with a team to film in Timor-Leste. Right now, we have again with us a great Indonesian artist with her Timorese husband, Krisdayanti. I don't know whether she's here. She's here with a big group. I saw them yesterday. So this talk about government-to-government relations, and sometimes, often in international relations, there are government-to-government relations, but very little people-to-people relationship. In the relationship Timor-Leste and Indonesia is both very strong people-to-people relationship. For those of you who might not know, Timor-Leste visitors to Indonesia is the number 4 in numbers visiting Indonesia every month. Below Singapore, Malaysia, I think Australia, and Timor-Leste is number 4. Of course, we don't spend the same money like Singaporeans and Malaysians. But I calculated at least one Timorese spends $20 a day when visiting Indonesia. And you might not believe that monthly, the average number of people in Indonesia from Timor-Leste is 100,000. At least that was before COVID. After COVID, I'm not familiar with the figure, but I just went back. So multiply $20 a day to 100,000 in a month, or totally in the year. So that is people to people. And Timorese never complain in going to Indonesia. And I presume Indonesians never complain doesn't go to Timor-Leste. So that is the nature of this great relationship. A few days ago, I got a letter from President Prabowo, very nice letter, not one of those printed out from the computer, and sometimes it happens totally understandable. But that one, it was obvious, written by the hand and mind of President Prabowo. So I thank you for inviting me another you for putting this great event today. The Indonesian culture group, music group, always very popular in Timor-Leste. We all know Indonesian media, television, watch every day by everyone here in Timor-Leste. Terima kasih to all the friends from Indonesia who visit. Selamat datang di Timor di Dili. Thank you, obrigado. Dia puang di Jakarta Deng para informasi Dali datang au larang kakolo Amerika ne amuto ko embajada Indonesia ambassador o ibu participa ya celebração rumah evento rumah Indonesia ni politika, ekonomika, culture, komersial awasi ba Indonesia dalam barang bukan Amerika Utara relação Timor Indonesia di relação dia kerja Timor Rio visita Indonesia por pulang di Emirates Indonesia orang dari Indonesia para mai Timor visita Foto Itania ba Indonesia sudah tertira para ne simu dia kenapa aí problema mai da ho Timor Brasileiro Isira mai Timor au karena problema Roma lalu ni tadi datang pelo Malaysia mau hasil ke Indonesia bem-vindo selamat datang di Dili di Timor Leste. Terima kasih.
Obrigada, Sua Excelência Presidente. Quero que na atender a matéria minha palco. Sua Excelência Presidente. Por favor. Sua Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency Mr. President will remain for a few moments on the stage with us because we are having a door prize draw.
So we honor request that His Excellency Bapak Oktodori Manik, the Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia, please come forward. We have our first door prize drawing, and we are honored to request His Excellency the President, Dr. Jose Ramosarta, and Bapak Oktodori Manik.
So the lucky draw coupon is for 2 fantastic return tickets from Sigili and Aero Dili from Bali to Dili.
Wow! And ladies and gentlemen, if your number is called, please stand by as the prize handover will take place at the end of this event.
Big round of applause. The draw have been played by His Excellency the President and also the Ambassador from Indonesia to Timor-Leste. Let's see who is the lucky one. Okay, the first lucky draw coupon from His Excellency Mr. President is 2265 2265 ke 2265 2265.
And the second winner is 7993 atau 7993.
7993.
Atau sekali lagi mau kita sebutkan nomornya? Boleh?
Yang pertama 2265 2265 2265.
Dan selanjutnya 7993 atau 7993.
Okay.
So I think that's our winner today. So for the winner, please take place at the end for this event.
Okay, so Satrio, since Her Excellency is here with us with the Ambassador, we forgot to take a picture for the photo session in the first beginning. So it is a great opportunity for a photo session. So please join us in the front of the stage. We also would like to invite His Excellency, the Vice Prime Minister, Engineer Osman Samino, Presidente Tribunal do Recurso, or the Excellencies, all the 9 government, member government of Timor-Leste to please join us. The diplomatic corps,
Okay.
please.
We invite all distinguished dignitaries, including Excellencies Minister and Vice Minister, Ambassador, Head of Diplomatic Mission, and member of the Diplomatic Corps to join the group photograph.
Tenemos Italia Governador do Banco Central, Italia Comissário-Geral PNTL, Sr. Pedro Bela Esposa, queremos mesmo do Clamene.
Mundur, please.
E a Presidente da Casa Civiliana, doutora Zizwina, queremos me acompanhar no programa.
So please.
Oi.
Kamu kira sudah nenek?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1. Last one. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and excellencies, please be seated.
And for those who are lucky to get the return ticket from Aerodeli and CityLink, please cross-check with your coupon, and we will provide you with the further information later on in the final in this event. So now, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, let us enjoy the music that truly represents the strong bond between our two nations. Please welcome the PBI group composed of tourist people who will play the angklung, symbolizing the friendship between Timor-Leste and Indonesia. And they will perform three beautiful songs for us: Suye Ora Jamu, Gundul Gundul Pacul, and Ibu Kita Kartini.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please give applause for our performance.
Ini si media ini. Kita sudah ini.